Hello everyone, I am Ananya and the topic of my presentation is You aren't everything you look like. Believe me, I have gone through such a phase. So here I am going to share about a personally experienced bad looks phase. Well, I don't really like to share this with anyone, but today I feel extremely overwhelmed and pleased to share this all with you. So here it goes. For the past 2 years, my body has been self-cleansing, where all the medicines and antibiotics that I had taken previously are coming out on the surface of my body, that is the skin. And because of all of this, my skin appears brownish and a bit old. People feel sorry for me, they show pity for me, but that's not what I want. What I want from them is a little bit of help and support to fight back this process and prove out and come out to be no less, if not better than others. So previously I had been trying very hard to bounce back to normal, but then I realized that I was going wrong. So I decided to change. Initially I felt desperate, worried, scared. I was horrified by my looks and I wanted to be back as normal. But then I thought this, you're facing real hard times, real bad ones, but nobody really cares. People have their own problems to deal with. Rather, you have to act strong and fight back this process because looks are truly mental and not at all physical. Again, while sharing this all with you, I'd like to tell, looks are truly mental, they are not at all physical. Embrace them as they are. Now, I said nobody really cares. Now you all must be wondering, when nobody really cares, why am I sharing this with you? But this is what I feel about looks, and I am here to free you from your phobia of bad looks. Now, bad looks, you must be thinking, I don't have any bad looks. But come on people, raise your hands who have faced at least one situation of bad looks. Come on, I don't have anything to wear is also depicting your fear of bad looks. Yes, clearly it's visible. Most of you have feared your bad looks. Now, I'll give a small example. I think you must know about them, acid attack victims. But do you know how much courage and braveness does this take? Or this? Or this? Believe me, it's very hard. Not everyone can do it. And we must take inspiration from them. So, I told that I had suffered from bad looks. So, dealing with all these bad looks phases, I have noticed that most of the people suffering from bad looks develop a phobia against the society. They feel unfavored and unloved. They feel left out and spend time crying over it instead of working on their personality. I know it's very hard to accept such a situation and even harder adopting it. But don't you feel it's at least worth one try to improve your personality? Here's the learning. Make your personality so good that the people overlook and don't mind about your looks. The inside should be better than the outside. People love you for what you are, not what you look like. Believe in karma and do the best. People will love you. Love your body and soul. If you accept, people definitely will. And at the end, looks don't really matter. At the end of the day, it's about you, not your looks. Thank you.